contacted me and asked me. Yesterday also I got a 1 or 2 message by you guys and I was not able to share you my number. So I want Mr. Mukesh to write my number in the here in comment box. And I would like to go with yesterday's student because I only remember the Rasi and you come in my screen first, Rasi. So sorry to bother you, but I want after the attending a 2 session, how you feel, how your experience, what you think, how you will prepare, and kind of a feedback for the class so that we can help the other student because we plan this kind of the session will continue till 21st of this month. So any friend also, if you want to recommend, they can come and join us. But we'll from tomorrow for you, if you want, you need you will have the classes with our the rapid course if you want to start. And a student, though they haven't attended yesterday or today class, they can attend the same topic tomorrow and day after. Yeah, Rasi, could you please share your experience?
Yeah, so it was nice, like how you're taking like each like one group of topics or like topics that are related on each day, so that we could study them in detail and get the questions. First, like the best thing is that we're doing questions together. So till now, I was studying on my own from internet and books. So it's nice having mentor and all, yeah, and being corrected on the point. That's all.
Yeah, that we take care of the test part also. When you will have test, we'll make sure that post test we'll discuss where you did the mistake, what you need to improve, so how you will get the better marks. In fact, for part B also, with our expert, you will have strategy classes. Now it's not time to have a subject wise class, but the strategy is important. How 45 minute 50 question, how each question will balance it, right? So that all things we'll have. Well, Rasi, so that is your personal experience, and what is your feedback?
Yeah, so it was nice. Like I talked about how we take one topic or the related topic each day. So it's nice going at a good speed and going and doing things in detail at the same time. Like the speed is also nice and the like you're not missing out things just to like finish it off.
So is it different than what you have studied through online and your own on this? So what is the line you see in between this, this two? What you have, how we have learned here, the way of the learning here right now, because we are learning from each other's, and
Yeah.
you have studied your own through online. So what is the difference in between?
Here I study
Any
with others.
comment?
Like when the others gave answer, even I got some ideas. Like oh yeah, this could also be a point. Like this to consider and this
Yes,
to consider. Because I have my own point of view, so getting other people's point of view is also important. Like in like
true.
various questions, I see only from one way, but there might be other ways of solving it and much easier. So that's what.
Nice observation. That is true. That's what we believe to create because it is there in college also, where you have group of the people, everyone is working on similar project. It's there in industry also, where group of the people is working for the same project, right? So
Yeah.
wherever, whichever form you will work, or maybe you will start your form. So why don't people keep the worker? Why they keep the similar more juniors and the colleagues to work together because they need a better outcome. So it's always important. Well, so thank you so much, Rasi. It was great. We have shared the number here in the chat box. So Krishna is my name. My number is there. Mr. Mukesh, please share your number also. You all please share your answer. This is my number, and then Mr. Mukesh also will share his number. Make sure you guys share your answer with the mentors. Make sure let us know your limitation, region, and what you want to do, how you want to continue, because we have certain thing for you. We'll explain you. So what is rapid course? What is test paper series? Because that is also very different. And if you are totally confused, which you are doing it from last 2 days, PTQ part A. So part A preparation, that what will help you. Or if you want to go for part B strategy class, that also will provide you. In fact, that will provide for other students also. Who they are in a free session, we'll provide them also. If yeah, Rasi.
So I had a doubt. I hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so I had a doubt. I don't get where do I have to share these answers because I have only one number of I have only one person who has contacted me.
There's a two
Uh,
number here in the chat box. You do not need to. There are other people also in the mentor, Veena, Rimjim. then the Salini, but I think it's fine. I think you have one number here in the screen, today's session Mukesh, and one is mine. So you can share any one of us. That's completely fine. Okay.
Right.
Sorry?
I have to share my answer. I can share my answers to any of you, right?
Yeah. This is clear for everyone. This is not only for Rasi. You have to share your answer with us, today's class, what you have solved, and that you can share on this number. There's a 2 number in the chat box. One is Mukesh, one is mine. My name is Krishna. Another one is Mukesh. I hope he shared the both number. Please check. You can share in any of this number. You can share any of your comment, doubt, and your plan about it. If you want to continue the classes also, and you want to upgrade your class. Let's, Krishna, tell me your feedback. We both sharing the same name.
It is really good. I'm learning something new. The color theory, I was actually confused about it. But yes, it is like it'll get
Are you
clear.
still confused?
No,
Still
not
confused?
that confused, but yes, I can learn more.
Yes, it's very interesting. Actually, you know color theory. Everybody know color theory. It's just you taught very badly. That's what you confuse. That is what the designer color theory is very different. We inspire from anywhere. We learn from anywhere, and it's very interesting in our life. Well, Krishna, you are from which city?
Nasik, Maharashtra.
Nasik, Maharashtra. Very nice. Very nice. Great. Anything you want to say or discuss, because this was your day one?
So I'm confused between about the classes. So I don't know which exact class is this and what I have to opt, because on the form, Google form, I had opted for everything, means part A, part B, paper discussion. What the first option was there, so I had
All
opted
like,
for
oh, so
that
rapid,
option.
part A, part B, everything you have opted.
No, just the first option, which was like complete preparation of NATA.
Yeah. Custom rapid program. I got it.
Yes.
That one. Krishna. Okay. The team will call you tomorrow morning. If you want, you can upgrade your course and you can attend the classes from tomorrow onwards. We have a less time, so we are giving a number of the classes. You need to put more effort. Like suppose somebody is doing a preparation from last 10 days and you started today. Nobody is preparing for last 2 years because the subject has been changed just 20 days before. So if you have to beat them or if you have to compete them, you need to put more effort. You may have 2-3 classes in a day, and that's what we started rapid course. That's what we started custom rapid course. Custom means the design for you. You will get the classes with the extra number of the hour, with all subject. But it's in same manner. Either is Vijendra is taking, I will not take. I mean, comes for some discussion class. Maybe Vijendra sir is taking the classes, or Naveen, or Akansha, or Anand sir, part B. You will be surprised. Everyone is in same zone. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
I hope Mukesh, you will write the Krishna name and you can contact her. Sir, I also want to take complete test. Amisha, not only the test, Amisha, we'll have a complete class also. Great. Practice. Amisha, anyone else want to unmute and talk here? And Chatra, Parth, Mithun, about the experience of today class? Let us know. Give us some motivation so that we can work in the same zone later on.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
So can I get an aptitude question type for tomorrow?
We're talking about Karthik part B, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously you will get part B question paper. Please contact
So,
Mr. Mukesh. He will tell you
okay.
everything about part B and we'll provide you part B question paper.
So one more doubt, just a second.
Yeah.
So this is my first class.
Ma,
So that can I join for tomorrow also until the one weekend?
yes, tomorrow onwards until the exam. Tomorrow is 19th. If you will go and check my one of the video, I have told 19 and the last batch on 21st. Till 21st, I'm starting a rapid course batch. So if you want, you can start from tomorrow and you can learn everything before the exam along with the mock paper, test paper. You can go on an app and attend the test whenever you want. The team will assign you. I have a separate people in the backend team to assign you the test. So that is also there, which you can write. If you will not able to write, we'll share you the test paper. If you are dedicated, you are ready to give your 100%. From here also, I can ensure you can score 150. 100 plus is very small number. Many of you keep writing, sir, can I score 100 plus? Why 100 plus? 150 plus you can score still, because this is the new syllabus and the way you will understand easily, you can score. Yeah,
So,
anyone? The last one. Yeah. Chatra, Anna, anyone else want to share anything?
So one more thing.
Karthik, you can, we are about to end the session. Could you please contact Mr. Mukesh? He'll share the number, or you can contact me. We'll clear your doubt.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah, what would be the timing for rapid course? Timing the team will share you. I am more keen towards the feedback. If you guys can let me know the class feedback, so that the student, though they are joining tomorrow, or if you want to join tomorrow class, which is the part A, if you are not upgrading the course, you can continue, or it's your day one, you please come for tomorrow evening class. That would be about the first topic, 2D, 3D, where Rasi was talking about proportion, rhythm and all. So that's the same time we'll have the class, and we'll discuss about the entire part A, all 6 subtopic also. After that, if you want, you can continue your preparation by own. So that will help you to know. But if you are upgrading the course, you want to do it, please focus, do it immediately, so that we can have multiple classes from tomorrow morning and more and more learning to us. Anyone else? Quickly, a feedback, or else I will end this session now. Yeah, I want you guys to go for your dinner, have it, relax, cool. The one most important thing I would like to share here with all of you, make sure to keep a better routine. If you are feeling a lazy morning, if you are feeling a whole day not like to work, that means you are not in right zone just before your exam. It's a very important suggestion for all of you. Try to make a proper routine, which will help you. If possible, however, either you are drinking a milk, and however, just find out. Yeah, thank you, Anne, to giving the comment. Yeah, so if someone can, anyone, you can write also your feedbacks are. Make sure that, make that, because that is very important for exam point of view. You, more than a preparation is equally important. I'm not saying it is not important. Strategy of the exam, proper routine before the exam, healthy mind. For that, you need to be calm and composed, relax, not feeling like panic. Okay, PCM is not done, not done. You cannot do it. Very simple. We'll try few test paper, mock paper, some revision, but for that you should not get panic. Because I see in a kids are they are in 100 in a group, and they keep discussing about NATA, JEE, this from morning 5 a.m. in the group. It's somehow good. They have a good, they're learning, but at the same time, do not things let tense you or anxiety you. Maintain the same pace. I'm ensuring you still, if you are with us, you will get the good marks. Work on your routine. This is very important and vital, and only you can work on it. I can just keep some test in the morning 10 a.m. That's it. I can do it before the exam. Well, guys, so good luck. All the best. Stay happy and safe. We'll make sure that we'll decode the all syllabus. Go and watch Ignite India channel. Today we uploaded one paper also. Write your comment. Just check that question papers. You will have the test also of that one. And please go on Ignite India Instagram page. That is Ignite_India. Yeah. So there, anytime you can write any of the question, the team can answer you. And make sure the videos which you like about part A, that is also there on Ignite India, or the current video which we uploaded today only. If you like it, you write your comment, share with your friends, so people will get the benefit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating in challenges. I like to meet new people more, So it's great. It's great. I'm connecting you all. I don't feel like, it's a day one with you all. Like, it seems like we are knowing each other from a quite month time. That is the relation. That's the color develop. It's happened because of the class. Chalo guys, good luck. Take care. Good night. You can ping me. My number is also given there. Pleasure sees your messages. Just focus on yourself. Thank you, everyone.